Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. What day is it? It's package day. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a package from Buy and Ship. And this actually consolidates, I think, three items, but small items. Okay, because I was going around eBay, and sometimes I only want like one item from an eBay store. Okay, so because I have some the other items that seller is showcasing in his inventory, so I still get it. I still get that one item, and then I go to another shop. There's also only one item I need from that shop. So and the shipping sometimes is more expensive than the figure, because the shipping I think is by default $5, something like that, and then of course I have to ship it to the Philippines, so it ends up like twice the listed price. Okay, and then I think the third item is some of the items I won in auction. Okay, although I'm not too aggressive in the smash and destroy brick break in the auction, because I already have my fair share of smash and destroy, but I still joined and tried to get some of the LE items in the auction. Okay, and this is a consolidation of that as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and open this small box of goodies. Let's see. Okay, paper. Oh, now we're seeing some stuff. Okay, just to make sure that there's nothing on the paper, because sometimes the paper is the packaging. Okay, so we have here this one. I just realized I don't have it him yet. So Gladiator from Mutant Mayhem. Okay, so 10 range, 11.4. Hopefully this gets a legacy treatment in X-Men set. If not, that's fine, it's my collection. And then Paladin from the Deadpool set. Okay, trying to complete the Deadpool set. I was not playing when that set was released. Oh, okay. So this Storm, one of the last pieces I need to complete the X-Men set. Okay, I think I actually complete the figures but not the pogs, because of that Weasel and Time Breaker, so expensive. So 60 points, Storm. This is the B version, not a Prime, but just the B. Okay, she's cheaper now because again rotation is coming up. So, and Deadpool will be rotated, so she's now purchasable at reasonable price. Okay. Oh, untapgames.com, Singleton, if you want to use that. Okay, some cards here. You have the card of the Storm. Okay, so thank you. eBay store. Ooh, and a legacy card of the Juggernaut. I do have this piece, so probably will highlight this in another video. And Paladin. Okay, good. And then I think these are more for auction. Okay, we have the Deadpool and the Wolverine. Okay, I don't think this will rotate. This might have one more year because they are LEs. Okay, and then last two items that we won in the auction. We won an exclusive Zombie Unicorn. Okay, probably another video. And Elektra, Daredevil and Elektra. Okay, let's not mix the order of priority. Daredevil first before Elektra. Okay, so another video. This might be, I know someone who might need that. So these are my hauls for this small but fruitful box. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And for now, bye bye.